So today I want to show you how to crochet a pair of shorts. I will show you how to crochet them to fit the size for your need, and I will show you every step of the way from start to finish. So let's begin. So first a little about the materials. I've used this baby snuggle. It's from Hobby. I know they call it Honey Bunny now, but it's the same yarn. So just search Honey Bunny for the yarn. You can see all info about it here. And this is about the softest yarn that comes. Then I've used a 6mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, some scissors, and 4 stitch markers. First we make the brim, and I make a slip knot. And then I will chain 7, so yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 7 times in total. That's 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we skip the first chain and do a single crochet in the next chain. And a single crochet in the next. And then a single crochet in each chain all the way across. I started with 7 chains and I skipped the first one, so I end up with 6 single crochet in total. And that's the first row. Then I chain 1 and turn the whole thing. Then I skip my turning chain, and then in the next stitch I will work a back loop single crochet. So I insert the hook into the back loop and single crochet. And then a back loop single crochet in each stitch. Then I repeat this row again and again until this brim reaches around my hips. So a back loop single crochet in each stitch, chain 1 when you make it to the end, then turn, then skip the turning chain, and then a back loop single crochet all the way back again. Then work your way back and forth until this reaches around your hip. I did 84 rows in total, and this measures around my hip. So now I will connect the 2 ends. So I will just connect them, make sure they doesn't twist, just put them on top of each other. And then I will make a seam through both layers to connect them permanently. So insert the hook through both layers, like this, and single crochet. Then in the next stitch, through both layers and single crochet. Then work a single crochet through both layers all the way across. And then it is connected. Then I will open the work, and then we have the brim. Then I will work a single crochet into each row all the way around. So you know this is a row, and this is a row in between the 2 bumps, and this is a row. So just do 1 single crochet into the first row, then a single crochet into the next, and a single crochet into this one, and then continue with 1 single crochet into each row all the way around. When we make it all the way around, we will do a single crochet in the last stitch, and then we will find the first stitch of the round, work a single crochet into this one, and then we just continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around again. So I will be working in spirals. So you see, I just continued, even though we made it all the way around. You can always know when you are around because I left this one. If you did cut off this one, you can just leave in a stitch marker so you know when the round is finished. But I will do a couple of rounds around and around with just a single crochet in each stitch. Each time you make it over here, you just continue. So we will be working in spirals around and around, just 1 single crochet in each stitch. I did 4 rows, and now I want to expand for my butt. So I will expand in 4 places. So I will now grab some stitch markers, and then I will insert one in each stitch right at the edge. So one all the way out here, and one all the way out here, and then in the middle as well. So this is, if you fold it like this, you know this is the middle, and then you will place one here and over here as well. So here you will expand for the hips, and here you will expand for the butt. So this will be the back side, and this will be the thighs over here. So we will now continue crocheting, and each time we meet one of the stitch markers, we will make an increase. So the first couple of stitches will just be regular single crochet, just one single crochet in each stitch. And this one as well. And then we make it to the stitch marker. This one I will remove. And then I will do an increase. So 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So 1 and 2. And then I will insert my stitch marker in this one again, where we removed it. And then continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch again, until we make it to the next stitch marker, where we will do an increase, and so on for a couple of rounds again. So an increase each time you meet a stitch marker. And now I have been increasing until I've done 11 rounds after the brim. We can see that it has been increasing a bit here, and it's a bit wonky in here as well, so we have definitely increased a bit. Now I will do some rounds without increases, so we can take out these stitch markers, just remove those, and then you will do some rounds without increasing. So just work 1 single crochet in each stitch until we make it all the way down to the crotch. So just continue some rounds with 1 single crochet in each stitch without increases. Now I did 21 rows from here, and this measures about 19 centimeters, and there is now room for my butt. Now I want to make room for my thighs in here, and I want to divide the legs. So from here, right at the middle, I will now chain 20. So 1, 2, and 20. And then I want to make sure that it's all even. So I have this right at the middle, and then I want to find the stitch on the opposite side back here, and I want to insert the hook into this. I messed up. And do a single crochet. So that's it. So let's pretend that I have crocheted all the way around here, and we want to continue in the same direction. So I start from here, and I want to work this way because this is the direction we are going in. So I just do a single crochet in the next stitch and in the next stitch. So now we crochet all around this leg, and then we crochet down this one. So we leave this leg for now. Now we just crochet around in spirals here. So crochet all the way, 1 single crochet in each stitch and 1 single crochet down the chains, and just continue in spirals until you have this leg long enough. So I continue with the first leg down here until this measures about 8 centimeters. And the total of the shorts is about 26 centimeters. But you can do them as long as you want them. You can do them shorter or even longer. That's totally up to you. But now I want to continue with the other leg. So I will just finish this off with a slip stitch to even it out, and then cut the yarn. And then I will pull this through just to secure the loop. And then you can take this end and weave in on the inside of the leg so it won't be visible. So now I want to continue on the other leg. So I will now turn it around so I will still be working in the same direction. So the stitches will be the same. So I'm just inserting the hook and pulling up a loop so I can attach the yarn again. And then I will begin crocheting in the same direction. And I will continue with a single crochet in each stitch. And I will work the same way, just in spirals, just as the other leg. So we will be working for 8 centimeters, and we will be working just along here. So we will be working in the opposite side of the chains we did at the middle. So you will just continue along here and just work around and around until you have the same length on both legs. When you're all done with the other leg and weaved in all ends, it looks like this and you have your shorts. I will just do a little string up here so you can pull them together and they will look even cuter. So I will put these aside for a minute. And then I will grab my yarn again and then I will just do a simple chain. So I just make a slip knot. And then I will chain. I will just keep chaining until it measures around my hips and then a little bit more. So just chain and chain until it measures around your hip. And that's it. So now I will cut the yarn and pull this one through to secure it. And then on this one end, I want to tie a knot. I will only do this in one end right now. I will actually tie a few knots so it won't get up when we pull it through the shorts. Now this won't go through. Then I will find the other end and then my very big tapestry needle with this little string here. We can pull it through. This is very handy right now. And then we have the front of our shorts. We have this one in our back. So I will now take this one and I want this knot to be here. So I will push this one from the front and in through this. So this one will be here. And of course, when we use it, we will pull it just a bit. I will cut it right here. But now I will just sew this all the way around. So I will insert it all the way around, just like this. And when it's through, we will tie a knot on the opposite side, on the other string as well. So I will tie a lot of knots, just like we did on this one. So this won't get through when we wash it. I think I will tie 5 knots. And then we can cut off this little one. And then you will just make this look pretty. There's always a little extra on this yarn you have to pull through again, and that's it. So that's how I crocheted some shorts for me. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!